We'll be back later to see how Ashley and Poppy got on, but first, let's just take a quick look through all of that with our English language expert Rob from the British Council. Hi, Rob.
Hi, Stephen. That's good. Ashley got the part in the advertisement.
Well, Poppy did.
Let's start with advertisement. The word advertisement. How many syllables is it?
Advertisement. 4.
Right, and where's the stress?
Vert.
Right, advertisement. Now, advertisement is a noun, a thing. What's the verb?
Advertise.
How many syllables?
Advertise. 3.
And which one's stressed?
Advertise. Ad.
Okay, advertise. Stress is important. When you meet a new word, you need to think about what it means, but also how you say it. If you're writing new words in a notebook or in your phone or somewhere, make a note of where the stress is. Here's another example.
We're going to take a few photos of you.
Okay, great.
Photo is short for photograph, and the stress is on the first syllable. Photograph.
Photograph.
But a person who takes a photograph is a photographer. Look where the stress is. Photographer.
Photographer.
So, you can see that it's important to make a note of the stressed syllables and the right way to say things. Now, let's look at something else. Watch.
If they like her, she could be the star of the next TV ad.
Not at all. She might be exactly what we're looking for.
You said she could be the star of the next TV ad. And the director said she might be exactly what we're looking for. Could and might. Now watch these.
Good luck, Ashley. I'm sure you'll be fantastic. Well, leave her here.
No way,
be okay.
Stephen.
This time you said, I'm sure you'll be fantastic, and she'll be okay. You used will both times. What's the difference between could and might and will?
Well, will is when you're sure about something, and could and might aren't so sure.
That's right. You use will when you're sure about something.
Leave her here.
No way,
be okay.
Stephen.
It's not a fact. Poppy might not be okay, but you feel sure that she'll be okay, so you say she'll be okay. In other sentences, you're not so sure.
If they like her, she could be the star of the next TV ad.
Not at all. She might be exactly what we're looking for.
She could be the star, and she might be what we're looking for. It's not sure, but it's possible. It's just what you and the director think.
Are could and might the same? Is there a difference?
No. When you're talking about how sure you are, they're exactly the same.
Okay.
Now, one last thing. What did you say to Ashley before her audition?
Wish me luck.
Good luck, Ashley. I'm sure you'll be fantastic. Good luck?
Yeah. Ashley said, wish me luck. And you said, good luck. It's what we say to people before they do something. Take an exam or their driving test or a job interview or something. Good luck.
Well, we'll see how Ashley did later on in the program.
Good luck to her.
Thanks, Rob.
Mau jago bahasa Inggris dalam waktu singkat? Hubungi kami di WhatsApp 089586383453 sekarang.